It will be the last excursion, last and the big one. We will be very exhausted after all. This is the sign you see everywhere. Volcano, it takes us going up around 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours up and 2 hours back down. Hi, how are you?
What's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Wayan.
Wayan, yes. Yeah. What you can see there, it's lava. Oh, it's still black. After this mountain, there's the biggest volcano. Still active, yeah?
Yeah, still
okay. They say going down is the best part, but it's also not so good for your knees.
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Oi, oi, oi.
Okay. Little chicken. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Can you show this?
Yeah.
I made the picture of this guy.
Thank you.
Welcome to our latest vlog. In this episode we'll take you to the Mount Batur, an active volcano located on the island of Bali, Indonesia. Standing at the height of 1700 meters, it offers breathtaking views. Get ready to witness the beauty of Lake Batur and the stunning landscapes around it. Join us for unforgettable adventures and incredible moments. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show.
So this is a supermarket that we have here around. It's the biggest supermarket. I want to show you the prices, which I found really high. Let's see. Look at that. Chocolate milk, 32,000, and that's mean €2. So it's actually European prices. Some yogurt, 25,000, €50.
Something for tomorrow you want?
We need to take something because we are going where we're going. I will tell you later. It will be the last excursion, last and the big one. We will be very exhausted after all. It will happen this night, so you'll see that further. What kind of prices they have here? Look, this may be not too much. That's for the chips. It's 10,000. It's 70 cents. Let's see how much Red Bull costs. 23 €50, same price as in Europe. Let's see the price of the bread. 43,000. Much more than €2. Really. As for so poor country, prices like that, I know why they are like sometimes money aggressive on the markets, and they ask a lot of money. Yeah.
I don't know where you want.
Small thing like that, how much?
I don't know.
No, there's no price on it.
No.
But you can check it there. There is a machine. There's some soda. Soda actually is not really high priced. This is 250 milliliter for 5,000. Oh, this is not too high. Generally, what I heard from somebody we met, things which are imported are 3 to 4 times more expensive than the local. It's because of the tax they put on some things. Like I will show you Bintang, 169,000. I don't see the imported beer, yeah, Heineken, but it's 36 and this is 29. I would say Heineken is not really overpriced, but Heineken is Dutch and they have Dutch connections, so maybe that's why. What you have? Ice cream. Here you can check the price.
70,000.
These Red Bullish drinks cost you 6,000. 6,900, 870. So they are 3 times cheaper. This is kind of good. Pocari Sweat iron drink. Generally chocolate is very expensive here. Some cookies maybe not. It's 6 up to 26. Let's see, Oreo. Oreo is not really expensive. They made it here, I think. Yeah. Made in Indonesia. That's why. There's even 200. I think 15 euros something, $15. Hopi Lubak. How much for that? 107. What you found?
Huh?
You found something extra?
No, I have
It's
everything.
enough.
Enough.
So as for them, is it very expensive, I would say. Not only we are struggling in Europe. At one restaurant we found some kakadu birds. These are how many? 4 of them? One thinks that she's a chicken. Little chicken. And this one kinda likes me. So hello everybody, it is 2 a.m. or something past 2 a.m. We're going to Mount Batur. It's an active volcano. How much kilometers is it from the Ubud?
From here, so I will take around 26 kilometers.
26 kilometers, so I think 1 hour, something like that.
All right, it's enough for the time.
We're gonna climb this volcano. It takes us going up around 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours up and 2 hours back down. Hi, how are you?
What's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Wayan.
Wayan, yes. He's our guide.
I'm just driver.
Oh, just driver.
Yes, and later, so you have local guy from the mountain.
Ah, okay.
That's
okay.
right.
So it's cleared. You know, it happened in the night, so we're a bit exhausted. We sleep 3 hours, but we want to see the sunset. You have.
Oh, no sunset. Sunrise. Still sleeping.
We're gonna see the sunrise. Sorry, sunset is something else. No, I'm still sleeping. The whole thing will take from 2 a.m. until I think 10 a.m. something like that. So it'll take us 8 hours to be back here in Ubud. Not everybody have a chance to climb active volcano, so we thought we'd take that chance, even though we are a bit exhausted, like I said. Stay with us.
Check it out.
So can you tell us why we stopped?
We stopped for breakfast in.
I don't know what's the place.
I don't know.
I will ask him. It's about, let's say, 1 hour.
We eat pizza already in the night because we think.
Yeah, we ate a pizza which was awful.
No,
They're not
it's
good
bad.
pizza makers. They bring us something, some coffee or tea. It's still raining. Oh, okay. Thank you.
See?
Coming again. Raining.
Yes, was stopping and now, yeah. Thank you.
You want some milk? Condensed milk, yeah? This is Turkish style.
Condensed milk is not milk. It is
Condensed, yeah,
yes,
they use it
condensed.
sometimes.
Yes?
We use it, we buy it in
I
Germany.
don't know where, but not in
Oh,
Netherlands.
shit.
Yes, I know.
Look like that. There's something different. We will have a breakfast. I will check what the time it is.
3 p.m. 3.
It's Turkish style. You never heard it? The Turkish style coffee?
With condensed
In
milk.
Poland we used to drink something like
Are
that.
not with condensed milk.
Pancakes.
Okay, pancakes.
Yes, thanks.
Something for me one time.
Here with banana, it will help us to climb. This is the sign we see everywhere, different meaning. So as you can see, we're going up. It will take us around 2 hours. We started with a small group, 4 people, 5 people with the guide. There, much bigger group, not comfortable. I would suggest pay a little more and we'll get a better excursion. So far the way, it's not really hard. Urine smell. I don't know from where, I think from the huts here. We'll see what's further. For now, it's quite okay.
Yeah, I know the plating is also not good.
So what we are afraid of? Leeches. Our friend here said there's leeches here. So far we didn't saw them. Or ticks that conduct virus, but...
And the volcano eruption.
And the eruption around there.
We European people are scary for everything.
Yeah, it's adventure, yeah.
Oh, in National Geographic is the guy called Burgers.
Burgers?
Yes, you know? No?
No.
He does attack
Bear
Burgers.
Grylls.
Yes.
Bear Grylls, it's the guy name.
Yes.
He drinks his pee.
Yes, yes, he does it.
He cleans it, makes it water and he drinks
Yes.
it. On the TV.
And then he go to the hotel.
He's,
Five star.
he's alone in nature with the whole group of people, cameras and everything.
And then he go 5-star hotel and laugh. We got stopped. One of the places, camera flickering
I
again.
have
You can buy something from here. Some water, some energy drinks.
Red
Chips.
Bull,
Yeah, Red Bull. For energy. Kit Kat.
for energy.
Yeah. And cold drinks.
Chicken.
Yeah.
That is the sunrise. Yes.
Look how many flashlights there's, lots of people here. So we get up 2 hours. Was it difficult?
Sometimes.
Some
it's,
spots.
It's because it's darkness. That's why maybe it was a little bit difficult.
But in the day it is much harder because it's warm.
Yes, in a
I think we would be F up.
Yes.
But the view, as I see it, I see only the city lights and some clouds. It will be nice. And it starts to be a little bit yellowish there. It will be a nice spot for the pictures also.
Yes, of course.
And what was the name of this? Agung.
The bigger one.
The big mountains there. 3,700 meters. Can you show our breakfast?
Breakfast is egg with broth with hot banana.
Hot banana spread. Not really something special.
Maria. Not really special, so it's always.
If you want a hot drink, you need to buy it.
Maybe it's enough to survive. But it's not.
Yeah, I think it's enough. Enough.
We had a ski jumper, Mawish, and he eat bread with banana every day.
Where?
He was jumping ski.
Ski, you know?
He was
the
very
sport?
thin. You don't know this discipline, it's in Europe. The ski jump.
No.
And they eat banana with bread to be fit. I don't know if you see it, but look at that. Look at that beautiful sunset. It's just amazing to be here. It's lots of people, our group was small and we have the best place under the roof. Probably that will be the last excursion. We have still 2 days and we go back. If you get to this moment, I want to say thank you. And as always, I don't like to ask about it, but hit the subscribe button or give a like or leave us a comment. We would appreciate that. Overall, it's just my diary. It's my timeline on one moment I wanted to share with you. One more peek on this. Look. Life is worthful. Where are we going?
Going to the top now.
The top now, and
See
this
the
is
crater.
the crater?
Yes.
Okay. This
Hello.
is their side.
Yeah.
It's this side.
Follow me.
Lots of people, yeah?
Wow,
Wow, this is gonna be nice.
nice.
It had eruptions, one big in 1963 and one small in 2000. People need to be evacuated both times. It's getting windy. Oh, it's getting windy.
Yeah, big wind. Hi. It's the crater. It's the biggest one crater here.
Eruption crater there. Bit windy. This is the top point of the volcano. You can make a nice picture near the sun. On the other side of it, let's show it. What you can see there, it's lava. Oh, it's still black. Oh, there's the hot stream from the ground. Yeah. After this mountain, there's the biggest volcano. Still active, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You see smoke coming out from there. Look, steam. If you want to buy something, this is from the volcano.
Yeah, from Mount Batur.
From Mount Batur.
Onyx Buddha.
This is with the Buddha.
Buddha, and this is with a hand protection. So
Yeah.
look, with Fatima hand. So
So if you will be here, buy
with
from
me.
the locals.
local sellers, not gallery.
Yes,
not
exactly. We start to descend. It's enough. Made the beautiful pictures and this video for you, so that you know what to do in Bali. Actually, I regret the one thing that we don't have a 1 week more. It will be far nicer to see also the west side of the island. There's some more snorkeling spots there. But okay, 3 weeks, almost 3 weeks is enough. And for this view, it is worth it. It can get windy, but it's starting now to be warm. So that's a nice thing. We're going down this side.
This is the same way?
Going up? No.
No, no, another. Okay.
They say going down is the best part, but it's also not so good for your knees.
Oh my God.
What the hell? Or maybe something else. If it's toilet. Shitty accident.
Oi, oi, oi.
The last shopping is
Yes, the last shop.
it's amazingly hot from yesterday. It started. It's just unbearable. But
Really hot today.
yeah, we're doing the last shop. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Can you show this? Yeah. I made the picture of this guy.
Thank you.
We're doing the last shopping and then tomorrow we go back. As for 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks, it was amazing. If I had 1 week extra, I would go to the west side of the Bali and then go snorkel. There's no big waves there, so it is better. You cannot open this. Fucking hell. What is this? Red? Strawberry?